Good morning, everybody. Before we start, check out these personal step-by-step guides if you want to make the most profit from your investments. Link to both of them is in the description. Bitcoin Technical Analysis. 4-hour chart. Currently above the 200 EMA. Support at $102,800. If the 20 EMA is lost, further drop possible. Daily chart. Recently closed above the 21 EMA but facing rejection. Weak support until around $100,500, with more significant support around the lower 90,000s. Weekly chart, still above all moving averages, notably 10 EMA at $99,000 and 21 20th EMAs around $93,400 to $94,000, indicating continued bullish structure. Bearish divergence discussion. Historical bearish divergences signaled previous market tops. Currently, signs of bearish divergence are emerging again on the money flow index, but some indicators suggest the market has already reset, indicating potential continuation. We are currently in the final stages of this cycle, and in one of them, most of the altcoins should reach their new all-time highs. Personal view. Personally, I think we will see one last bull run before the cycle is done until September. Of course, it is possible that this was it and that we are at the start of a bear market. Total 2 or crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin. Basically, altcoin market cap. Golden Cross recently formed and retested. Currently in a bullish structure of higher highs and higher lows. Forecasts a potential move to a new all-time high by September, followed by a major top. Short-term concern. For our charts look weak. Reclaiming $1.16 trillion in total 2 would strengthen the market. Note, these technical indicators are just tools, not guarantees. S&P 500 influence. S&P 500 pre-market is down, likely influencing crypto negatively. Multiple support levels exist. A bounce in stocks could aid crypto recovery. Hidden bullish divergence on the S&P 4-hour chart may support a bounce soon. Bottom line, the market is still in a bullish phase long-term, but signs of topping are emerging. A cautious yet optimistic outlook is warranted, with a possible final push-up expected by September. Taking profits is a personal decision and could be prudent depending on one's entry point.
If you need a more detailed analysis with a step-by-step guide, check out these programs. Link in the description. Here are today's top 10 coins for investment.
Fourth, price, $2.39. Market cap, $34.19 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $3.18 million. Total supply, 15.29 million. Circulating supply, 14.34 million. LQTY, price, 86 cents. Market cap, $81.97 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $30.58 million. Total supply, 100 million. Circulating supply, 94.98 million. C98, price 5 cents. Market cap, $48.18 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $12.56 million. Total supply, 1 billion. Circulating supply, 966.94 million. GLM, price, 25 cents. Market cap, $245.93 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $9.97 million. Total supply, 1 billion. Circulating supply, 1 billion. 1. Price, $0.000046. Market cap, $33.31 million. Trading volume, 24-hour, $6.73 million. Total supply, 727.71 billion. Circulating supply, 727.71 billion. ASM, price, $0.023. Market cap, $33.92 million. Trading volume, 24 hours, $7.45 million. Total supply, 3 billion. Circulating supply, 1.5 billion. Flare, price, $0.019. Market cap, $1.26 billion. Trading volume, 24-hour, $22.84 million. Total supply, 103.53 billion. Circulating supply, 65.52 billion. Ethereum. Ethereum is a good investment for the short term. If the altcoin season finally happens, Ethereum would be in the front, leading other altcoins. And if you are looking for a long-term investment, Ethereum seems kind of risky, and I would suggest waiting until the end of the year for a possible low. XRP. XRP has a very good setup for a bullish run. It just needs to break past the $2.50 resistance. Also, as all other altcoins, XRP needs a favorable position from Bitcoin and stocks. Algorand. In my opinion, this coin is one of the best risk-to-reward ratio investments. Of course, it needs to be monitored to keep the risk at minimum, but with the current setup, it could reach even beyond its all-time high, which would be more than 10x from now. Algorand is associated with XRP and usually moves very similarly, but since it has a lower market cap, it offers bigger gains. So if XRP manages to go over the $2.50 resistance, it could result in a very rapid growth for Algorand as well. Hope you have a nice day. Take it easy.